We are gonna have like calamansi, ube, like guava pancakes, all sorts of things. We're gonna have coffee, we're gonna have vegan ice cream. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I'm out pretty early today. I'm in Pasadena at Whimsy, which is an event space owned by entrepreneurs. And if you don't know what an entrepreneur is, it's an entrepreneurial Filipina. I'm here for the Umaga Experience. So we're gonna have Umaga Coffee, we're gonna have treat yourself baked goods, and cheery ice cream. And they are all Filipino-owned. So let's go check it out.
My name is Cruz. I am the founder of Phil-Am-Fam, and our mission is to honor and preserve our heritage for the next generation with intention. What I do is I produce cultural events and experiences that raise awareness of Filipino culture. So that's why we're here today. And we're gonna have our team today kind of guide you through all the tastings. At this time, I'd like to bring up Umaga Coffee. I'm gonna bring up each of the brands so they can tell you a little bit about themselves, and then we're gonna start the tasting.
Magandang umaga. My name is Jess. I was born and raised in the Philippines and moved to the United States 15 years ago.
Collectively, we are known as Jem and Jess. We were both coffee enthusiasts. We both coffee drinkers. We love coffee. We wanted people to know that the Philippines is also a place where you can get quality coffee. And so we've managed to partner with some of the local farmers in the Philippines and have the coffee beans brought over here, and so we can help distribute the coffee here in the US. So that's our story, and so we came up with 3 different blends, and I hope you guys like it.
Hi, good morning guys. I'm Rose of Treat Yourself Baked Goods. We are a husband and wife team. That's my husband Adrian right there. A few of the many things we're passionate about is our food, our Filipino culture. Our brand is about bringing these passions to life through our baked goods and the flavors that we've grown up with a modern twist. We love sharing our culture with the community, and we believe that everyone deserves to treat yourselves once in a while.
Thank you so much for coming. My name is Christiana Cunanan, short is Christy. I am the founder of Cheery Ice Cream. We are a vegan Filipino ice cream brand that's family owned and women owned as well. It's really important for me especially to showcase the family relationship and just how important that is. When you look at the flavors, they're very much stuff that you would see ingrained in the household and not so much as the ones that you would see popular and all over the place, but the ones that are more intimate. Calamansi is the Philippine citrus. We really wanted to highlight that flavor on its own to really amplify the floral aspects of it as well. And we use over 1,000 calamansi for our ice cream, just to really make sure that you can taste it. Our tree in our backyard is grown by my grandfather, and so it's a really special connection that I have making that ice cream for you.
Families and friends were having such a great time. We were able to talk about our roots as Filipino Americans through food. What an awesome way to celebrate our Saturday morning, right? It felt like one big Filipino family party. I don't think you can get this experience in many other places. But thanks to the powerhouse Filipinas and Filipinos who made this experience possible for our community, we were all able to be a part of it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk real quick. Janelle Eats is a fun space to be. I'd like this channel to be just a place for you to just have fun, right? Just to escape if you wanted to like relax a little bit. But I also didn't want to sweep the coronavirus under the rug because it's all affected our lives in some way. But this is not to like freak anyone out. This is literally just to bring some awareness, and that these events that I have attended, these amazing people that I've met, these restaurants, they need some support right now, right? And so I just wanted to make that known out there. Let us support our community in any way that we can. There is always a solution. And me and Jen from Flip Family are figuring out safe and responsible ways to continue this, right? Like, we are having so much fun and we don't want to take that away. So I just wanted to let you guys know that there's, I guess, there's always a solution, and we're working on it. I don't know if you guys have any ideas, like let me know in the comments, or you can DM me at Janelle Eats. Life goes on, right guys? That's it. That's all I wanted to say. Make sure you follow our accounts on Instagram to stay updated with more events. Maybe you can even cameo in one of these future videos. See you next week!